If you are looking latest tile designs for bathroom renovation projects, this video is for you. Creating a modern bathroom oasis is no longer restricted to single color schemes or neutral finishes. Let's explore interior designers' predictions for the major bathroom design trends to come in 2024. Creating a separate larger, open shower space within the bathroom opens to adapt new tile styles and patterns to the huge wall spaces. There is plenty of scope to embrace latest tile textures and patterns, with different set of materials, to create a personal space and unique style in your home. There is definitely more of a focus on quality materials as well as on patterns. Choosing narrow-walled tiles to create a unique pattern is such an upscale and luxurious way of adding interest into bathroom spaces. Vertical pattern of tile placement is an easy way to adapt new styles to create best visual interest, and there are plenty of tile choices to choose from different materials and textures. Embrace the colorful vibrancy of two-tone tile designs. Choose the mix-and-match bathroom vanity backsplash designs to create wonderful visual background interest. Artistic tiles can also be subtle, an elaborately patterned backsplash or a perfect visual interest to the floor space of bathrooms. Creative tiles define the visual impact of a bathroom, choose the tile color and design, to incorporate with wall colors, and other elements of the room. Beautifully separated tiles in contrasting colors and earth tones are becoming more popular for bathroom wall spaces. Tiles with contrast colors in earth tones are another popular option for bathroom renovation projects. Choose the colors to elevate natural light and interior spaces. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please do not forget to give a like to this video. For channel encouragement, I appreciate your support. Thank you.